Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. A couple of weeks ago, a foreign teacher friend of mine visited London for the very first time. And after she'd got back home, we were chatting online about what she'd made of it here, what her experience of my city was. And she mentioned how surprised she was to see and smell so many people openly smoking weed, smoking marijuana in the streets here. She asked me, slightly bemused, whether or not it was illegal. She said, surely it must be illegal, no? I said, well, look, living here, I can tell you, it's very, very widespread, and there's no way that the police are going to try and arrest every single person walking around smoking a joint. So basically what they do most of the time is turn a blind eye to it and focus on more serious crime. If people with authority, like police officers or teachers or parents, turn a blind eye to things, they choose to ignore things that they know are happening even though they shouldn't be. So, for example, the police may also turn a blind eye to high-level corruption because it's more trouble than it's worth for them to try and tackle it. Or maybe, of course, because some of them are in on it. Some of them are getting a cut, or maybe they're getting backhanders, they're getting bribes from the people involved in the corruption. In the same way, maybe teachers might sometimes turn a blind eye to students smoking behind the bicycle shed, or turn a blind eye to someone cheating in a test simply because they don't want the hassle of confronting people. They want to avoid confrontation. Parents also sometimes turn a blind eye. Maybe they turn a blind eye to the fact that their 17-year-olds are drinking with their mates in their bedroom, for example. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use turn a blind eye to things.